Good morning, everybody, and welcome to another edition of Baking Commotions with Ms Nevotion. Thank you for being here this morning. I'm really excited about today's recipe. It's actually a new recipe for me, and we are making homemade oatmeal cream pies. And I'm telling you, if you like the Debbie oatmeal cream pies, you're gonna love these. So let's get started with obviously our KitchenAid mixer here. So your ingredients are 1 cup butter, 1 cup vegetable shortening, 1.5 cups light brown sugar, 1.5 cups granulated sugar. And you'll just want to mix that well until it's all blended together, as you see here. Next steps, you're going to want to add 2 large eggs, 1.5 tablespoons dark mild molasses, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract. And again, mix that well until it's well blended. Next, you're going to move to your dry mixture. Ingredients here, so 1.5 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, and 1/8 teaspoon allspice. And again, mix well. The last ingredients you're going to add to your cookie dough here is 3 cups quick cooking oats. And this you'll just want to mix by hand. Do not use your KitchenAid blender for this one. And again, just ensure that all the oats are well coated with the ingredients. After that, you'll want to place your cookies on a cookie sheet. These cookies do expand pretty large, so you want to probably do about 6 to 8 cookies per sheet, as you see here. And then you'll bake at 350 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes or till golden brown. As those are cooking, we'll move to our filling. You'll need 1/2 cup of butter, 1/2 cup solid vegetable shortening, 2 cups powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons half and half, 1 teaspoon vanilla, and 1 7-ounce jar marshmallow fluff, and mix that together. Once your cookies are done, you will spread that on one side of your cookie, as you see here, and then you'll grab another cookie to make an oatmeal cream pie. And they are nice and gooey, and they taste oh so well. Thank you again for being here today. I hope you enjoyed this new recipe. Until next time, this is Baking Commotions with Ms Nevotion.